How to get back old calendar events on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Settings app on your iPhone to get started. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. On this page, scroll down and tap on Calendar to open its options. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how your calendar appears. Scroll down and tap on Sync to manage how far back events are shown. On the Sync screen, select all events so older entries return. This setting expands the visible history beyond recent months. This way, you get more control over your experience with the Calendar app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily get back old calendar events on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.